In recent years, the invisible orthodontic industry has developed rapidly. By the end of 2030, the global market is estimated to grow from $12.5 billion in 2020 to $50.9 billion. To narrow down the pain points of the orthodontic industry and fit the blueprints of the whole industry chain, a 3D printing team led by a postdoctoral fellow with a strong background in 3D printing industry, Shenzhen RayForm Technology Company Limited, was founded in August 2018. RayForm started with lithography technology, adopted multi-engine super ray optical exposure technology, developed the world's first ultra-high-speed intelligent 3D printing production system. The company has laboratories for functional material synthesis, AI material research and development processing technology, optics, etc., to provide customers with overall solutions. The 3D printing system developed by RayForm Technology uses a multi-engine to exposure UV light, initiating model resin to be cured by DMD protection. When printing dental models, it only takes 45 minutes to complete 96 models, automatically separating the dental models after printing. Resin will be refilled automatically during printing. High performance and no clean safety model resin, cooperated with an automated post-processing system. It is faster and more convenient. At the same time, the product cooperates with a printing management system, can realize production task tracking, production devices monitoring, and production managing, such as generating real-time statistical reports. In the invisible orthodontic industry chain, RayForm Technology, which is known for its R&D of diversified materials, had in-depth cooperation with domestic and foreign invisible orthodontic appliance manufacturers for a win-win situation.